In this video, I will show you how to use Excel to randomize patient charts for a quality assurance audit. So of course, first you want to have the list of charts that you are trying to choose from. Here, you can see I have a sample list of visits here in descending order, and I want to randomize these to be able to select a couple charts to do audits on. So to be able to do that, in the field right next to the start of the chart listing, you will type equal RAND, open bracket, close bracket, and then enter. It will generate a beginning number. All you have to do now is to just drag the bottom all the way down to cover the list that you have. Okay, and it will generate these random numbers here. So what you can do now is just go ahead and select the entire column, then go to sort. We will sort by smallest to largest. Okay, and there you go. It will now list the charts based on the descending order. So now here you can see I have the first patient, they have a visit date of 4/17, and the next one 6/30, and the one after that is 2/7. So for instance, if I needed to take 10% of these charts, all I'd have to do is, of course, do the calculations by the amount of charts I have listed, and then go ahead and just choose maybe 10 or whatever that percentage amount equals. And then you're able to do your quality assurance audit. And that's how you can do that in Excel.